Hello and welcome back to the No Stress Trader platform. This is where your AI starts working for you. In this series, I'm going to walk you through on how to send of your robot to take your first trip. So right here, this is the interface you see when you logged into the nostresstrader.com website, right? Now, first thing you should do to take a trade, you click on Trade, which is right here. When that's done, you head on to the left of your screen. This is where you see the robot's settings. And the first thing you have to do is to make sure you select the market that gives you the opportunity to use the bot. When you select the market, let's say we've selected Volatility 10 Index. This appears here. This is the same interface you have for TradingView, right? Who doesn't know TradingView? So you head on to this place, analyze the market, and get a trending market. When you get a trending market, you go over to the bot, set it, and tell the bot to trade for you. So this is where you're going to do analysis. And then you come over here to select the bot. So after selecting the market, second thing you have to do, come to the strategy. The strategy now are our 6 robots. So when you come onto the strategy, let's see, we are taking, for instance, robot 3 AI Trader 3, which is over 3. Okay, that's the strategy we want to use. Okay, now after that has been selected, you head on down here. You are going to see trading mode. Under trading mode, we have 3 types of trading modes. When you click here, you're going to see all of them. Accuracies, less trades, more accuracy, which is highly recommended for every user. I am recommending this for every user, okay? I've used it, and it's nice, it's very profitable. Now, the balance mode says, trades and accuracy balanced. It's a 50-50 ride. You can win, you can lose, but the equity, the balance, but it has to be balanced. For the balance mode, it says trades and accuracy balance, right? Now, if you come to the fast mode, we have more trades, less accuracy. But I'm recommending accurate, so we're going to click on accurate. The next thing you have to do is come over here to trading mode. At trading mode, we've started trading mode already, yeah, so that I make mistakes, guys. Okay, so after that's been done, we come over here to initial amount. For initial amount, this is like a knot size on MT5. So right here, you can decide to put on 0.04, right? Or 0.4 lot size. So that's the setting you put in there, that's your lot size. And now when you come over to the profit target, you can say, let's say we are targeting $5 of our account size. That means with 1.3% and 0.25% growth to the account size, which is $317. Where you come over here to the stop loss. At the stop loss here, we have 2 settings. And I'm going to recommend the best for you. When you come over to the stop loss, simply just click on the certain icon slightly after the stop loss. When you click here, you're going to see 2 things here. There are 2 settings actually here. It says you can choose to use the number of losses in sequence or the stop loss value. So you're going to click here, and I highly recommend that we all or you all use number of losses in sequence. So after selecting that, just go ahead and click on close, or you click on the X above. Okay? When you do that, it comes over here. Now, at this point where you see the X, this is the stop loss. So you can edit this because we've chosen number of losses in the sequence. So we're going to keep it at 10, which now tells you below that if you make 10 trades in a loss, your robot does 10 trades in a sequence in a loss, you're going to be losing maximum $17.05. When that's done, we head on to the last part, the risk management plan. When you click here, we have our risk management plans. And I highly recommend we use conservative. There's fixed loss, there's fixed amount. Recommended balance is 10. There's conservative, recommended balance is 50. Optimal. And now, the more you go down, right, the risk is increasing. The last one here is I wasted mistake for means. This is for people who like to risk a lot. Like I said, this is for flippers. If we choose high risks, your recommended balance is just $200, and make sure we're taking high risks, and we beat the market, expect to get the high risk. So I'm highly recommending you guys to use conservative because I've used it and it's very, very profitable. So after that's been done, after you selected your risk management plan, you head on to the board and click Start Robot. So I'll click Start Robot and that's it. Each strategy follows a specific logic. Okay? Choose based on your risk level. So the steps are easy here. Select the strategy, do the settings, activate the board, and remember that each strategy follows the specific logic. So choose a strategy wisely. And remember to always start small and grow consistently. Next, you're going to set up risk management, the most important part of it, in the next series. Please don't miss out and see you in the next series.